Prayer times 4-7 time is also a condition for the obligatory prayers and their sunnah prayers. The witr prayer, the Tarawih prayer, the Friday prayer, and the Eid prayers, that is, obligatory prayers consist of the morning, noon, afternoon, evening, and night prayers. Friday. Prayer is also performed during the noon time. Knowing the times of these prayers is an obligatory duty. A prayer performed before its time is not valid and must be performed again within its time. An obligatory prayer performed after its time has passed is not considered to have been performed, but is considered to have been missed. Makit, however, does not replace the obligation in any way, leaving a prayer unperformed without a valid excuse is a great responsibility before Allah. Sunnah prayers, Friday prayers, and holiday prayers cannot be made up once their times have passed. 4-8. The time for the morning prayer is from the second dawn until sunrise. The second dawn is a light that begins to spread from the eastern horizon towards the morning. With this, the morning time actually begins. For this reason, it is called Fikr-i-Sadiq, true dawn. This is followed by the first dawn, which is a whiteness appearing in the sky as a rectangle with two sides in darkness. This disappears shortly after. Darkness follows. Then the second dawn occurs. This first dawn is called Fikr-i-Kazib, false dawn, because it does not indicate that morning. HAS actually arrived and is a false light. This is the time of dawn. Therefore, neither the time of night prayer has passed, nor has the time of morning prayer begun. Sulfur monoxide that eating and drinking during this time is not haram for those who fast. 49. It is most recommended and more meritorious to perform the morning prayer when the sky begins to lighten. This is called Isef-ar. It is when the light of the second dawn is fully visible and the darkness of the night is about to disappear. The morning prayer should be delayed until a time when the shooter can see where the arrow has fallen. At the same time, if the morning prayer is performed incorrectly, there should still be time to perform it with the sunnah before sunrise, only for pilgrims who will be in Muzdalifah on the first day of Idha. It is more meritorious to perform the morning prayer that day immediately after dawn while it is still dark. This is called tagless. According to 3 Imams, tagless is always more meritorious. 50. The time for the noon prayer begins when the sun has reached its highest point and begins to lean toward the west. The moment when the sun begins to lean toward the west from its highest point is called Fay-i-Zival. The noon time continues until the shadow of everything else becomes twice as long as the shadow in this state. This final period of noon is called Asri Sani. This is according to Imam Azam.